Hi, this is Sudhir and this is History of Programming tutorial. Here in the history of programming, I have listed from 1960s to 2000 all the programming languages and technologies which has been widely used. So in 2000, .NET was introduced by Microsoft and it has a good amount of advantages which made it popular. So let's come from 1960s. In 1960s, COBOL, Pascal and Fortran are the three programming languages which have been used. COBOL is used for business applications, Pascal is used for developing mathematical applications, and Fortran is for developing scientific applications. So in this 1960s, each programming language is specially designed for creating special type of applications. That means if you want a mathematical application, you have to go for Pascal, you can't develop that with other applications. And this is the disadvantage we have in 1960s. After that, in 1970s, C language was introduced, and this is a programming language using which you can develop all types of applications. That means you can develop business, maths or scientific applications using C. So it is well-known application. And after that, in 1980s, C++ has been introduced. C++ is a partially object-oriented programming language. It comes with OOPS concepts and it makes us code more secure and reusable, so that less lines of code has been, you can develop much more functionalities with less lines of code. With this, it is widely used for gaming, and in 1980s, most of the companies have started using C++. After that, in 1990s, people started using websites and some Windows applications are being created. At the time, Java is the most popular language. Java is a fully object-oriented programming. It has OOPS concepts and it is also platform independent. What platform independent I mean is, it can be developed on one operating system and it can be targeted to all the operating systems. So in 1990s, Java is the most popular language and it's a free source. After that, in 2000s, Microsoft has introduced .NET. It's a framework, and it is a collection of technologies and programming languages. That means in 2000 year, Microsoft has released a collection of programming languages and the technologies inside the .NET framework. So it has advantages like language independency. That means you can develop .NET application using C#, which has a closer syntax to C, C++, Java. That means if a program is already good in C, C++, Java, they can use C#.NET as a programming language and they can develop .NET application. And it is platform independent, same as Java. That means you can develop an application in one operating system and it can be targeted to multiple operating systems. And it is having one more advantage called language interoperability. So language interoperability means you can write code in one language and it can be converted into other language as well. That means some libraries can be created in one language like C#.NET, and some libraries which are already created in VB.NET can also be used in the project. That means internally all the language code can be used in a single project. And the final and most important feature of .NET is it is easy development and deployment. That means .NET developers can use a tool called Visual Studio, which is having a base class library and which helps you to write a code very easily, and you can develop .NET applications easily. And also the deployment procedure of .NET applications is much easier when compared to Java. So this gave a lot of advantage for the developers to do their work easily, and with this advantages like language independency, platform independency, language interoperability and easy development and deployment, .NET has become more popular. Thank you.